The purpose of this code is to simulate and display the step of a normal wash, quick wash, heavy wash, and custom wash cycle in a washing machine program, showing the washing process works from start to finish. Okay, first we will start our program and we will put number 1 to turn on the washing machine. And now we will choose a number 1 quick wash, so that and next we will choose normal wash. And now we will put the number 3, the heavy wash. Okay, the heavy wash. Now we will try to create a new custom mode. So we will name it cotton. 60 minutes and high, and that's it. Custom mode save. So now we will try to put number 5 if it is gonna run. So yeah, it's gonna run. Starting cotton at high, 60 minutes, rising, spinning, wash complete. So now we will try to power off or turn off the program. We'll choose number 7 to power up, and now the washing machine is turned off.